Hey friends, Miss Christina here. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna read Max's Chocolate Chicken. Rosemary Wells, author. The title page, Rosemary Wells, Max's Chocolate Chicken. One morning, somebody put a chocolate chicken in the bird bath. There's the chocolate chicken in the bird bath. I love you, said Max. Wait, Max, said Max's sister Ruby. First, we go on an egg hunt. If you find the most eggs, then you get the chocolate chicken. And if I find the most eggs, then I get the chocolate chicken, said Ruby. Max went looking for eggs, but all he found was a mud puddle. Ruby found a big yellow egg. Max didn't find any. No eggs, no chicken, Max, said Ruby. Max went looking again, but all he found were acorns. Ruby found a blue egg. Max, said Ruby, pull yourself together. Otherwise, you'll never get the chocolate chicken. So Max went looking with Ruby. Ruby found a red egg with green stars. Max found a spoon. Ruby found a gold egg with purple stripes, and a turquoise egg with silver swirls, and a lavender egg with orange polka dots. Max found some ants. Then he made ant and acorn pancakes. Max said, Ruby, you'd have trouble finding your own ears if they weren't attached to your own head. Ruby counted her eggs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm the one who's going to get the chocolate chicken, Max, said Ruby. But Max ran away and hid. The bird bath was empty. Where are you, Max? Ruby called. Max ate the chicken's tail. I see you, Max, said Ruby, but she didn't. Max ate the chicken's head. I'll give you half the chocolate chicken, Max, yelled Ruby. Max ate the wings. Then he popped out of his hiding place. Max, said Ruby, how could you do this to me? What's happening? I love you, said Max, and I love all of you too. Bye.